Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be sharing this beautiful hairstyle that Ini used to celebrate her second year's birthday. So if you're interested in knowing the process, everything that we use, why not sit back, relax and watch this video to the end. So here I'm showing you the extension that I used, and that's Afro Kinky. It's actually 3 in a pack and it comes with the crochet pin as well. So I'm just going to portion that into 2. I think I counted it was about 10 strands and I took about 5, then attached it to the normal hairband. All I did was just to pick a tiny strand and like thread it a little bit just to secure it at the tip to make sure that it doesn't lose, it has a firm grip at the top. And then what I'm doing next is to section the hair using rubber band, like just to make a puff kind of. So after attaching the rubber band to the first section, I use my hand to bring it out a little bit depending on how I want the hair to puff out, so, and that was what I was repeating. And afterwards I added my beads. So just because I have an idea of how I want the whole thing to turn out, so I try to blend the accessories to make sure that they are kind of in uniform. That bead is a gifted bead by Akoni Jeweler. I already made a video on that handmade bead. We've used it before and here we're using it again because it's reusable. It doesn't tarnish, it's very nice. What I did to the middle was just to add the normal accessories, so just to make the hair pop out. I did the second part just like so before attaching it to our hair. This hairstyle is very easy to make. Mere looking at the process without me even doing a voice recording, you are gonna get this. So adding a voice recording is a plus. This is very light, it's not heavy at all. My toddler loves it so much, and we used it for the photo shoots. I did the whole shoots myself, I styled our hair, styled our outfit. And if you want me to make an outfit review, let me know in the comment section and let you know where I outsourced the outfit from. I was just trying to see if I can make it in another different style by rolling it up to form like 2 buns, which is actually nice. But what I wanted is for it to dangle, and she loves it so much. What I'm doing here is just to add ribbon that matches the hair accessories, just for it to pop out more. And that's it. It's very, very fast, very easy to make. Once you've made it down, it's very easy to install. Here you go. This is how we made our birthday hairstyle. Thank you all for watching this video. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for your love and support, and we are also thankful to God for amazing 2 years of God's goodness in the life of our incredible Ini, our baby model. Let me know your thought about this in the comment section. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this content with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. See you in our next video.